Merry Christmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas, man. I'ma try. I forgot I had the pimple patch on. We gonna try and see how many we could get out in the month of December. This is my gift to everyone. Today we are going to install competition DRLs and clay bar my car and wax it. Let's get to it. I don't know how long these videos are gonna be, so rock with me. Yeah, I'm about to slide the AutoZone. I'm about to grab the Chemical Guys wax and clay bar kit. Keep it simple, it's like 25 bucks. I just left AutoZone right now. I got the supplies. So we got the Chemical Guys complete clay system. I'll give you more in-depth little review once we get back to the crib. And also we got the Pro Elite tire shine. I'm just tire shine, bro. I'm not about to drop like $15 on tire shine. It was like 5 bucks. So we about to head back to the crib, wash the V, clay bar. All right, so this is everything in the arsenal we have today. We're gonna start off with the clean slate, remove all the waxes, sealants, everything I put on my car before actually clay barring it. After this, clay bar my car, use the luber with the actual clay bar. Not too bad. Shout out Chemical Guys. I'm gonna use this to seal it, protect it, put it all together. So of course, McGuire's wheel cleaner. Turn everything purple. That's how you know it's clean. 5 bucks. So yeah, it's just tire shine. Other quick. Oh, that's crazy, bro. I didn't even know this. I low-key got like all Chemical Guys stuff. And then this is what I usually use to clean the wheels. And got the rag and foam cannon. I'll be back after it's washed. Alright, so we just finished washing the car. Clay barred, waxed, vacuumed. It's good. It's looking great. I don't know how well it's picking it up, but yeah. I don't know if you guys can see. Did me justice. Did me justice. Shout out the wax. Shout out the wax. Shout out the clay bar.
The wheels is busting as well.
But yeah, satisfied with what I used. And now we're gonna install the yellow DRLs. So. To Vlogmas, man. Alright, let me lock in. Go install these DRLs. Alright, so right now, this is what they look like. Stocky stock. And I'll be back once I install the yellows. I don't know how clear it's coming out. Yeah, man. Alright. So this is the finished look with the actual car on with the night lights. It's fire. I love it. But that's pretty much it for this video. And I will catch you in Vlogmas 2.